Hey everybody, and welcome back to TMC Lifestyle. Long time no see. We're starting off this tutorial using some Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil. I believe this one is in dark brown. I'm also using my favorite concealer right now. This is the Sephora brand. I think it's called a gel serum concealer. It's excellent. I've always used the shade Devil's Food as my contour, but in this tutorial, I'm using the shade Ganache. I believe that's what it's called, in my brow bone. I'm also going to use it all over my lid, and I absolutely love them. I got about 4 shades of their concealers. If you have not tried them, please give them a try. Alright guys, here I'm using the L'Oreal Prime Lab. This is the 24-hour matte setter. It also has salicylic acid in it. It's supposed to be good for the skin and everything. This is only my second time using it and I'm liking it. I'm also using the gel serum concealer from Sephora. I'm putting on a little bit of lip gloss, got some ashiness going on there. I'm also using the Black Up Cosmetics Sublime Powder. I think it may go by a different name now, but it's beautiful. Look at that highlight. Look at that highlight. And of course, you can use that wherever you want to highlight. I am bringing back those Coastal Scents eyeshadows. You guys know Coastal Scents went out of business, I'm assuming, but I have so many eyeshadows from them, so you will be seeing me use those in lots of videos. The first one you saw me use was Oktoberfest. That was like holy grail eyeshadow for women of color at one time, and the color that you see me putting directly on the lid is called Burnt Umber. I like both of those shades. I created a whole little palette using all of those neutrals, cool tones, and warm tones. Absolutely love Coastal Scents. I don't know what happened. Price point was right. I don't know. All right, so we're going to be using the Panorama. This is a mascara. I forget what brand this is. Everything I'm going to try to link down in my description box, so check that out. It is new, and I'm kind of liking it. The brush on that mascara is very good. You see I'm using that primer again all over the face and just rubbing that in. Going to be using my Nicka K corrector. I'm not really happy with this, guys. I don't like this corrector. In my opinion, I like that LA Girl Pro concealer better. But I feel like I'm just going to use this up and I won't buy it again. I don't know. It's not red enough for me. I'm just going to set that corrector with the Derma Blend, and that's in translucent. And the foundation of choice today is my favorite drugstore foundation. It's only $6. It's the Flawless Finish from e.l.f. I'm in the shade Espresso. I absolutely love this foundation. Every time I wear it, I get compliments. And I bought a lot, at least 3, because the e.l.f. website seems to always be sold out on that. So whenever I find it, I just buy as many as I can, so I'll never run out. But it's a beautiful foundation. Just check out how my skin looks when I finish applying it. I think that because I've been indoors a whole lot, maybe I need to go a little lighter with the foundation, but this shade still works for me, so we'll see. Here I'm just going to highlight underneath the eyes, down the nose, my forehead, just brighten up the center of my face a bit with the Sephora Gel Concealer again. And I think that's still in the shade Ganache, if I'm not mistaken. It might be a little lighter. I'll have it in the description box. But I did use, I think, 3 of those in this tutorial. To set the concealer I just used, I'm using Derma Blends powder. This one is in the shade Warm Saffron, and I absolutely love this to set my under eye and forehead and all of that stuff. Derma Blend is an excellent powder. Derma Blend has wonderful foundation, so if you ever get a chance, try those out. I also have the Charlotte Tilbury. If you guys watch my my daughter's makeover where I did her hair and makeup, you saw the Charlotte Tilbury. This has got real potential for me. I mean, I never thought that I would fall in love with a Charlotte Tilbury product, but it is beautiful. So if you have not tried that powder, give it a try. I'm also using the Rimmel Maxi blush, and this one is in the shade Wild Card. Kind of hard to find. I think Walmart still has it. And we're using our Urban Decay setting spray. We apply some lashes. These are from Kiss, and you see there they're very, very natural lashes. I try not to go too thick or too thin. Just something that looks kind of flirty and natural. I like the Ardell's as well. I believe that I am using the Panorama mascara again, as well as a pencil from, I think that's a Sephora pencil I just used in my waterline in the shade Black. For my lips today, I'm using another pencil. I'm going to say it's Sephora. I have to look and see, but it's a dark brown pencil, of course. And I'm going to be using the newest lip balm, or what do they call this? I don't know. It's like a lip gloss, and it's from Fenty Beauty. And let me look for the name for you guys. All right, guys, they're calling it a gloss balm, and the shade on this one is called Fuchsia Flex. Very, very nice. Another brand had one similar to this. I think that was Black Radiance, but with Black Radiance, you could feel the glitters in the lip gloss. With this Fenty Beauty one, you don't feel the glitters at all. It's packed with glitter, but you don't feel it at all on the lips. So I'm really liking this one. And that's it, guys. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my tutorial today. Definitely more tutorials to come. I'm also going to introduce you to this wig that I'm wearing in this video. Y'all know I don't normally do wigs, but I told you guys I'm going to be doing a lot of protective styling. So you're going to see this wig review in another video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to check that description box on your way out. Love you much. Cyber kisses. Bye.